So, what are the trending digital products to sell online in 2026? Because honestly, digital products are becoming bigger every single year. More people are learning online, working online, creating content online, and buying digital products faster than ever before. And one of the biggest reasons people love digital products is because you do not need inventory shipping or physical storage. You create the product once and you can sell it again and again. Now, one of the biggest trending categories in 2026 templates, things like social media templates, resume templates, Notion templates, business documents, and content planners continue selling extremely well online because people love products that save time and make work easier. Another huge category ebooks and guides, especially simple guides that teach people how to solve a specific problem, learn a skill, or improve something in their life. And honestly, simple practical products usually perform better than overly complicated ones. Now let's talk about digital products for creators, because this niche is exploding right now. Things like presets, LUTs, editing packs, sound effects, thumbnail packs, and content creation resources continue growing fast in 2026, especially because more people are becoming creators every year. Another trending category, online courses and mini courses. People are constantly trying to learn new skills online, whether it is marketing, editing, AI tools, fitness business, or content creation education. Products continue performing extremely well. Now another huge opportunity, AI-related digital products. This is one of the fastest growing categories right now. Prompt packs, AI workflow guides, automation templates, and AI productivity resources are becoming extremely popular because businesses and creators are trying to save time using artificial intelligence. Now, here's something important. Many beginners forget. The best digital products usually solve one clear problem. A lot of people try to create massive, complicated products immediately, when simple, useful products often sell much better. Another important thing, presentation matters a lot. Even a good product can fail if the branding, preview images, or marketing look low quality. People buy based on trust and perceived value, especially online. Now let's talk about traffic, because creating the product is only half the process. In 2026, organic content is one of the biggest ways people are getting sales. Platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube allow creators to promote digital products without spending huge amounts on ads. And honestly, short-form content is changing everything right now. One good video can bring thousands of visitors to a product page. Now another important tip, do not wait for perfection before launching. A lot of people spend months creating products, but never actually start selling. The market itself will teach you what people really want much faster than overthinking forever. So to wrap this up, some of the biggest trending digital products to sell online in 2026 are templates, ebooks, creator resources, mini courses, AI-related products, and productivity tools. But honestly, the real opportunity is not just creating products. It is understanding attention-solving problems and building trust online.